What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Knife Life PDC. Got something new to show you guys real quick, and it is something from Kershaw, which is like a first that I've gotten since I've gotten back in the knives. And this was actually one I was wanting to get when I, like, probably the first couple knives I wanted to get. I first saw it and I really wanted, and I'll tell you why it kind of drew me to it later, because I have another knife to show you. I'm going to show you both, kind of why I like them. But this one is the Kershaw Launch 13, and stuff fell out already. What is this? This is just scan for important information. So there you go. Got information if you need it. There's nothing else in the box. And like I said, this is the Launch 13, which I haven't, this is my first Kershaw I bought. Like I have other Kershaws, they're old. I bought them like years and years and years ago. But I really kind of dig the way this one looked. And it is obviously assisted open, I guess, button open. Looks really nice. I like the way it looks. Got a real small handle frame. You guys can see it right there. It's real small. Like I have small hands, so, and even this feels like really small in the hand. Kind of cool though. I like the way it feels. You got some jimping right there. Flips open nice though. There it is, CPM 154, and I believe the Launch series are USA made. I think. I'm not quite sure. I need to look into that, but I think that's what I was told why the flag's on there, because it's completely USA made, which is pretty cool. I like that. Really like the pivot though. I was drawn to the pivot, which is why I kind of got it too. It just kind of, I don't know. I just thought it was kind of cool looking. It's just different. It's really different looking. Yeah, assisted open works really well. I wouldn't say it. I have a arc form, dark form, I think. Same thing, except with a Protec. I guess they did a collab with Protec for their openers or something like that. And I feel like that thumps more than this. This one, it kind of thumps, but not nearly as bad. Which I'm not saying the thump is a bad thing. It really opens, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? But it's pretty smooth for what you can get. Feels pretty sharp. Got a heck of a point on it though. So don't poke yourself with that. That thing, yeah, that thing is good and pointy, and I'm sure that'll be a bleeder if you get yourself. Yeah, like I said, I really like the jimping's not too bad. It's not overly aggressive. You can choke up on it a little bit if you need to. It's kind of a different design. Like you have the, I guess, Warncliffe, and then you have your other cuts on there, and it's just really kind of, I don't know, I think it's a really cool design, the way it looks and everything like that, all the cuts on it. Apparently it smudges up very easily, which, no, nothing new. I don't know what that little emblem means, right? If I can get it in the light. Right there, that little emblem right there. I don't know what that means necessarily. Not quite sure. Huh. I'll have to look into that too. But yeah, like I really like the handle. It looks really cool. I like the pocket clip. Looks kind of nice. It is not recessed, and the screws are not recessed. There you go. You can see it right there. So, but it's deep carry. I like the smaller clip though too. Like that's not too bad. It's not as big, obviously, but again, it's not really a big knife. Like it's not that. It fits really small in your hand, which is, I guess, not bad. I kind of like that. It is reversible. The pocket clip is also. Look at that. Look at the back spacers. It's kind of. It's just really different, and you have like a little hook right there for your lanyards if you want something like that. I'm pretty sure that's what that's for. Maybe. Let's take a look. Yeah, I guess that's what that would be maybe for. I don't know. The blade would touch it, so I'm not for sure. I'm not sure about that. It just looks really different. But what it reminded me of, like, it sounds probably stupid, but an Alien. I don't know if you guys have ever seen, obviously, the Alien movies with Sigourney Weaver. I think in the fourth one they did some like deleted scenes, and one of the Alien and one of the Sigourney Weaver clones, whatever, had like little black things coming down her face. There's a deleted scene or something like that. I saw a picture of it, and it was like the aliens merging, whatever, and it reminded me of that for some reason. I don't know why. It just reminds me of the aliens and the Alien movies. I don't know if I'm crazy or not, but that's kind of what I resembled. It resembled me, and there's another reason why I bought this, because it was just not just because of the alien. It's because I have another knife that is a Predator. This is the Heretic Manticore, and it's the Predator edition of it. And I actually really dug this thing. As you can see, it's got like the Predator language on it and everything. It's the serial number. The first one's S. That's N for serial number, obviously. Then you have the last three for like the number. I can't remember what it is for sure, but dope little thing. And it also came with this, like a little cobalt bead of the Predator head. So again, Alien vs. Predator, right? Come on, you know, you get it. Those movies, kind of cheesy movies, but still great, right? But that's honestly why I've always wanted this one still, because I wanted it first, and then I just never did it, and then I bought this, and then eventually I was like, I gotta buy this, and it was on sale. That's I can't remember where I bought it now, but it was on sale for like a few bucks cheaper, so I went ahead and got it, and I'm kind of curious how it's gonna hold up. I'll probably carry it some. I just think it looks pretty cool. It's just a really cool looking knife, I think. I don't know. But I literally bought it mostly because it resembled an alien. And then I got my Predator knife. So there'll probably be more of like, I don't really carry this around anymore. I carried it around a little bit just because it was my first OTF and I really liked it. But I don't know, I don't carry it around anymore really, because it's more like a collector's item for me now. And I want to get this, so I'm probably going to put this on there. I just didn't put it on when I was carrying it because I didn't want it to, you know, bang up against that, scratch it up, or, you know, either or. But I'll probably put this on there now and probably just set it somewhere and just kind of have it tinker around like my desk, whatever like that when I'm using my, you know, at my desk, working on my computer or doing schoolwork or stuff like that. Because I am a old college student apparently. But so that's what I do when I do college work. I just fiddle with knives. But kind of bought this knife just because of that. Kind of had to have the alien to go with the Predator. But yeah, I'm a huge nerd. I'll just let you guys know that. Huge nerd. Love Predators and aliens. But yeah, if you like the knife, you know, let me know in the comment section. I really dig it. It really kind of thumps. Not quite like the ProTech stuff, but it does thump. Yeah, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up and let me know what you think. Thanks.